Hello. In this video, I will show how to use the DUT Collector in STC. This is a new feature that allows STC to receive SNMP traps from the DUT. Now I just loaded a BGP configuration, connect to a Cisco router in our lab. And if you go to the settings and the DUT Collector tab, first of all, DUT Collector is disabled by default. To enable that, just check this checkbox here. By the way, for STC to actually receive events from the DUT, you actually need to go to the DUT and set the SNMP host pointing to this address here. So once you do that, then everything is ready. And now let's just apply and go to the result library. The result is usually, you can see the DUT Collector results in the events table, like the time span view, and we also have a dashboard for all events. So usually these are the two panels you can look at. Okay. So for the dashboard, if there's anything like any errors or warnings coming up, it will show up a tile in the dashboard. So the time span view basically shows continuously all the events received so far. So let's enable start the device. So when the devices are started, we can see that we receive events from STC, like these rows, as well as traps from the actual DUT. You can tell from the source IP address here. Now we by default allows over 140 SNMP traps over or about 20 different protocols. So if you want to collect additional traps, you can do that by using this collect customer events feature. So first enable this chat box, then you need to create a YAML file defining what kind of traps you want to collect. So the YAML file basically looks like this. Each event basically is defined by 4 fields: the OID, the name, severity, and event name. OID is the standard OID for each SNMP trap. The name is a descriptive name you can give to this event, which will in the end show up in this view, like the message here. And so severity, we currently have 4 levels of severity: info, warning, error, and critical. And for event name, this is basically like a categorize, like which protocol this event belongs to. So for this trap, this is a BGP trap. It belongs to this BGP event name. And in this example, this trap is constantly sent out by the DUT when the devices are stopped. So we specify the file here. Then let's apply. Now once applied, let me stop the device. Now we can see that this backward transition events started getting into the span view here. And also, I just want to quickly show that you can control like all these fields and applied, and the effect will be immediately reflected in the results. So let's say if we change this trap to be error, and load it again. now the same events coming in is now treated as an error here. And you can see that a big red tile shows up in the dashboard, and it basically counts how many such errors has occurred. Okay, if I start the device, then when supply completes, the BDP is up, and we stop receiving that transition events. So this is the general workflow for using the DUT Collector. Thank you for watching this video.